Most of the light in the ocean isn't made by the sun. It's made by living creatures glowing in the dark. Down in the deep sea, most animals can produce their own light. Scientists estimate that up to 90% of deep ocean life glows. That means the sea below you is quietly lit from within. Now imagine walking on a beach at night. Each footstep sparks a burst of blue light in the sand. That glow comes from tiny plankton called dinoflagellates. They flash when disturbed, so the waves light up with your movement. You can actually swim through them and leave a trail of stars. This isn't magic. It's chemistry happening inside their bodies. Bioluminescence is light made without heat. Your light bulb wastes most of its energy as warmth. But a firefly's glow is almost 100% efficient. Nearly all that energy becomes light, not heat. That's why it's called cold light. Touch a glowing creature and you won't feel any burn. Speaking of fireflies, their flashing is actually a language. Each species has its own pattern of blinks. Males flash a specific code, and females answer back. It's a glowing conversation to find a mate. But some females are tricksters. They mimic another species' code to lure males in. Then they eat them. So that romantic summer glow hides a deadly game. Here's something happening inside your own kitchen. That faint blue glow you'll never see comes from freshness. Some old meat and fish can glow with bacteria. Certain bioluminescent bacteria live on decaying flesh. In the past, sailors reported glowing pork in the dark. During wars, soldiers saw glowing wounds on the battlefield. The light came from bacteria that actually helped fight infection. They called it the angel's glow. Let's go back to the ocean's darkest zones. There lives the anglerfish with a glowing lure on its head. The light isn't made by the fish itself. It comes from bacteria living in that dangling bulb. The fish feeds the bacteria, and the bacteria make light. It's a partnership, a trade of food for glow. Small fish swim toward the light, thinking it's a snack. Then the anglerfish opens its enormous mouth. Now, think about the last time you had squid for dinner. Many squid species light up their bodies to hide. It sounds backwards, but glowing can be camouflage. Down in the water, sunlight filters from above. A squid's dark shape would show against that light, so it glows on its belly to match the brightness. This trick is called counterlumination. The animal becomes invisible by lighting itself up. Some deep-sea creatures do something even wilder. They squirt glowing clouds instead of ink. A shrimp under attack vomits a burst of light. The glowing cloud confuses the predator. While it's dazzled, the shrimp escapes into darkness. It's a smoke bomb made of living light. Now look up from the sea to the forest floor. Some mushrooms glow green in the dark. This is called foxfire, and people once used it. Miners carried glowing wood to light their way. The light comes from a chemical reaction in the fungus. Scientists think the glow attracts insects at night. Those insects spread the mushroom spores far and wide. So the fungus lights up to travel the world. There's a glowing worm you'd never expect. In New Zealand caves, ceilings shine like a starry sky. These are glowworms, the larvae of tiny gnats. They hang sticky threads and glow to attract prey. Bugs fly toward the light, thinking it's an exit. Then they get caught in the silk lines. Whole cave ceilings twinkle with thousands of them. It looks exactly like the night sky underground. Here's a fact your own body connects to. Bioluminescence helps doctors see inside living cells. Scientists borrowed the glow genes from jellyfish. They tag proteins so they light up under a microscope. This lets researchers watch cancer spread in real time. That firefly chemistry now helps test new medicines. A creature's glow may one day save your life. Let's talk about the brightest natural light show. In a few bays around the world, the water blazes at night. Puerto Rico has a famous bioluminescent bay. Millions of plankton pack into every gallon of water. Wave your hand and the sea erupts in blue fire. Kayakers glide through and leave glowing wakes behind. Fish dart past like living comets under the surface. And here's why so many of them glow blue. Blue light travels farthest through seawater. Red and yellow get absorbed within a few feet. But blue can reach for hundreds of feet. So evolution tuned deep sea creatures to blue. Their eyes even lost the ability to see other colors. In their world, blue is the only light that matters. Some creatures broke that rule in a stunning way. One deep sea fish glows red instead of blue. It's like carrying a secret flashlight no one else can see. Its prey can't detect red light at all. So the fish hunts using a private spotlight. It sneaks up while its victims stay blind. That's an advantage millions of years in the making. Finally, think about scale for a moment. A single glowing wave can stretch for miles. Sailors have seen entire oceans shining white at night. They called it the Milky Sea, and few believe them. Satellites finally caught one from space in the year 2005. It glowed across an area the size of a small country. Billions of bacteria lit up together as one. From tiny plankton in your footprints to seas seen from orbit, life makes its own light. And now, when you stand by the ocean at night, you'll know that glow is alive. If this lit up your curiosity, subscribe to Better Night for more wonders after dark.